Hey gang, y'all, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday to y'all. We're going to do something a little different, something I've been wanting to try. I'm going to do a stuffed flank steak. I just went and got a regular old flank steak there. And y'all pan down here with me. Let's see what we're working with. We've got some, well, of course, flank steak. And I'll be seasoning that with, come on camera boy, get it straight now. With some SuckleBusters Texas Brisket Rub. I haven't tried this yet. We're going to see how this stuff is. And I've got chopped up some bell pepper. I've got the red, orange, green, and yellow. And a little bit of minced garlic right there. And I chopped up just a little bit of white onion. We're going to put some of that junk in there. And we're going to probably, more than likely, put some provolone on the inside and some pepper jack cheese. And I also got Conecuh sausage just for a little appetizer. And I've got some store-bought jalapeno poppers. We're going to see how these things are. That's the stuff with green onion sausage. So let's get this party started, y'all. Let's open up our SuckleBusters here. And put us some seasoning on here, inside and out. Oh yeah, baby. Stuff smells good, I tell you that. It smells real good. Alright gang, we got that did. I'm going to light my grill and get it going, and we're going to get this thing stuffed and rolled up. So we'll be back in a minute. Alright, welcome back. We got the grill lit there. So let's do this here, y'all. Let's put a little piece of pepper jack on here. Well, a couple pieces, I guess. I'm going to roll with it like that. Bit of our minced garlic here. Some of my bell peppers. Just throw that junk on in. Make it all happy, man. Alright. Spread it all out. Alright, let's take our provolone. Let's put two up here at this wide part. Boy, this stuff smells good, yeah. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing rolled up. What y'all think? I don't know about all that. Good gracious. Might have it overstuffed, y'all. Alright. We'll roll with that, I guess, y'all. Let's see if we can get this dude buttoned down, and we'll be back. Alright, y'all, welcome back. We got this thing contained. I am out of butcher's twine, like, tight. So I just had the toothpick and just weave it in and out, where I overlap my meat. And I did hit it with some more SuckleBusters Texas Brisket Rub on the outside. So I got the Weber is ready to roll. We're going to go into rack with that. And so I'm probably going to put the sausage and poppers on there and let this, marinate a little while. And I'll meet y'all at the grill. Alright, gang. Let's get these poppers on here. Get this sausage on here. If y'all notice, the Weber is just my go-to grill, man. It just is. Alright. Alright, there we go. I'll go for a little bit, and just for good measure, let's put just a little bit of hickory chips on here. Just a few on each side. Alright, we'll be back to check on this in about 10 minutes. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's see how we doing on this sausage and poppers. Looking pretty good, y'all. Yeah, buddy. So roll these over a little bit. Alright. I'm gonna leave the poppers like they are. Looking good, looking good. Alright. We'll give them about another 10 minutes and we'll come back and check on them. Alright, y'all. It's been about another 10 minutes. Oh, yeah. Man, this is done. 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 Alright. Let me get this stuff pulled off of here. Oh, yeah. Well, that's looking good. That's looking pretty damn good, y'all. Get this stuff pulled off of here. And we're going to run inside and get the stuffed flank steak and throw that junk on the grill. So we'll be back. Alright. We got the flank steak. Here we go. We got it in the middle, y'all. Indirect cooking. And what we're going to do, we're going to add a little hickory smoke to it. Stir our coals up a little bit. Finally got kind of cool down here. Old Moonshine had to put his jacket on. Hickory chips. Alright, there you go. Let that go about 10 minutes, come back and check it. Alright, been about 10 minutes, let's see what we got. About 100 degrees, alright. We'll let it go a little bit more, we might go another 15, we'll come back and check it. Alright, it's been another 15 minutes. Let's see what we got. Ooh, man. Little cheese coming out of there. 135. Let's pull it, y'all. We'll go inside and get inside and let it rest. We'll be back in a minute. Alright. We got this thing rested for about 15 minutes or so. Let's cut it open and see what we got, y'all. Let's see how we did. First time doing one of these, so I say let's cut her down the middle. What y'all think? We'll turn it this way here. And let's see what we got. Little cheese oozing out of there. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Well, it looks alright to me, y'all. What you think about that? Huh? Little bell pepper, onion, cheese. Little baby smoke ring around there. It's juicy though, she's dripping. Alright, grab my towel here. Let's get us a little bite. Let's see what we got here. I'll keep everything contained here. That's where you need a good sharp knife, y'all. Dow Strong is rocking here. Oh yeah, that's nice, y'all. Check that out. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, y'all come up here. Let's see. Let's see how we did. You know, the dogs want some gizmos right there. Hang on, brother. I'm going to get you some. Cheers, y'all. Y'all, that's good, yeah. The peppers aren't soft and soggy. They're kind of al dente. Man, I gotta finish that. Cheers to you. That's good on gizmo. Hell yeah. Pepper jack, provolone, hickory smoke, the SuckleBusters Texas Brisket Rub. Got a good little flavor to it. Nice heat on the finish, man. Not too much, not overpowering. That's a nice combination right there. Alright. Now let's check out one of these store-bought jalapeno poppers here. Let's cut that dude. We're going to cut that dude in half. Green onion sausage. Cream cheese. There you go. Nice, huh? Homemade's always better, but you know, sometimes store-bought ain't bad, especially when you're trying to save time. That's not bad, y'all. Alright. Winner, winner in my book. I'll be doing this again. Alright, gang. Let me get y'all some plate pics. I'll get out of here. Hope y'all have a great weekend. And I'm going to get my grub on. And we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.